Alright, finally we are here with the Spark XB6. I know a lot of people have been asking me for this running video. It's already dead anyway, so you can't say that I killed the tree. But I just haven't had a lot of time to get out here. And finally, I've made it. And it is freezing today. It's only like 10 degrees at the moment. A bit windy, but Spark doesn't care. Although my hands do. Can't feel my fingers. Oh, I just got absolutely sprayed. That was a bad idea. I just copped a rock or a stick to the noggin. That was not fun. Oh God. Man, on 4S, the Spark takes no prisoners. All stock gearing, stock everything. And I am running, for the first time, I'm running those Hobby King Rapid batteries. I got a 6000 milliamp 4S in there. And this will give me plenty of run time. Man, the Spark's actually performing pretty well. Knocking down sticks and trees and all sorts of things. It's gonna jump well, I reckon. Alright, let's take her on the jumps. Alright, here we go. Plenty of power on 4S with this little guy. Big slap. Good speed on 4S. I think Corellis have always had great speed on 4S. Whoa! Bit off target. Grass needs to trim, but on the plus side, makes for soft landings. Oh! And she's upside down. So that's weird. Flashing red light on the ESC. I think the car has unbound itself after that slap. Like, how? I have no steering, no throttle, nothing. It's on, just no signal. Strange. So we've had a lot happen. Turns out the receiver just shut the bed and it doesn't work anymore. So I'm now running the radio out of the Synchro 4 because it's the only other radio that I have that's compatible with this thing. However, as I was testing this and making sure everything was running right, I found another problem, and I'll show you what that is. That is a diff issue. Most likely the front, where it's not meshing. I can't say that I've had this happen too many times on these Corellis, but to have it on a brand new car that's only had a couple of jumps, that's a little bit concerning. Maybe it's just bad luck, but oh God, sounds like a wrench in a bucket of bolts. Oh God, it's just I don't know if I should keep running it or not. I mean, it does go forward, it just doesn't brake very well. I don't know, it's been a while since I've been out here. Maybe I'll just run it until it doesn't run anymore.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I've actually found the problem, and I have to thank my buddy Blair that pointed this out. Who's here with me, and what has happened is the diff case has actually split. So as a result, the diff has moved. It's no longer meshing with the input pinion, and we're getting a crunching sound. Now I think I have some of these spares at home, so it should be a pretty straightforward fix, but I may leave this one here because it's going to cause me more damage if I keep running it. And yeah, that's a bit nasty. It does say what is it, push your limits underneath the chassis, and I think we did that today. Holy smokes, didn't take long to break this one, but it'll be back.
3 days later.
Okay, so different day. We've got the Synchro 4 tires on there. Hopefully these will hold on when I run 6S through the buggy. I kind of like the way that these ones gripped a little bit better than the standard Radix tires, so I switched them out to get a little bit more grip. And I'm also running my Radio Master MT12, which I've had for a while now, and we'll see how this pans out, and yeah, I'll get to test out the radio at the same time. So we are still on 4S, and I'm just going to do a couple of jumps here just to get a bit of a feel for it, make sure I get used to the radio, get used to the grip on the tyres, make sure everything's okay. I did have a spare diff housing or diff case, which was really good. And you can see the grass has been cut today as well. Well, not today, but it's been cut recently since I was last here a couple of days ago. Let's see if we can do one big one here. Hopefully that doesn't break another diff case, because I think that's what it did last time. The good thing is it's not as cold as it was the other day. So yeah, the other day we had like frost on the grass and everything. It was icy cold, and no doubt the plastics were a little bit more brittle. Today it's probably a couple of degrees warmer, to be honest, but it's not as bad. There we go. All right, let's move on to the bigger jump and see what we can do. One of the bad things of being here early in the mornings is that the sun just ends up being right in your face. Nice. They didn't do a very good job in the middle here. It seems like the grass is still quite long. The pit. When are they going to replace that pit? Oh, that's right. They're waiting for a small child to get brain damage from cracking their head on it. Then they'll eventually change it and fix it. Nice, cleared the double, very good. Stock 4S, no gear changes, no diff oil changes, no shock oil changes. The only thing I've changed is the tyres, as I said. Whoop, wow. I saved that. There was no way that was going to recover. Something happened off the jump there, and wow, that was a safe front flip with the buggy. Yeah, so it just kicked up a rock as it went up, so there was something there causing a bit of mischief. Also, the wind is not as strong today, but it is still from the left. So when we hit the Superman jump, oh, it survived. It survived. It's getting a kick up off that jump for some reason. It survived. That was a nasty fall. What is happening on the other side of that hill? I gotta go check it out when I'm done. Something's going on that jump, causing a massive kick up. Good, 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 good. All right, we're only on 4S, but you know, it's going quick enough that I think we can have some fun on the Superman jump. Yeah, there's definitely something going on here. So we've got a bit of a rock sticking out there, and we've got another one sticking out here. So maybe that's causing a bit of a kick up. I'm not entirely sure, but it seems to be pretty clean. All right, here we go. No doubt this will be a lot more fun on 6S, so I'm hoping I don't break the car here. As I say that, that was a nasty fall. All good. Let's keep going. That was really nasty. Much better. Oh, come on, really? Oh, we've got to get at least one good landing in, surely. Whey! Oh, that's broken it. I saw something break then. Not one good landing on this, and that has definitely broken it. I think I popped out a shock or something. Let's see, what have we done? Yep, there it is. I broke a shock rod, and bugger, it was just not going well. No jump was actually good, except for the ones that were in the the middle jumps. But on the Superman jump, I did not have one good one. I don't know why, but yeah. Well, I do have spare parts for this, so we can fix it, and we will bring it back again and run it on 6S eventually. And the funny thing is I'm still running that 6,000 milliamp rapid, so I'm nowhere near getting it flat, and the car's broken twice now. Oh man, is this just bad driving or bad luck? Jeez. All right, thanks for watching guys, I'll catch you next time.